I need the light from this. Wait, give me a second. Now we're back. We're back with the lights on. I hope you're doing well, guys. The market is opening and right now it's selling a little bit there. Let me put the opening print level that we are already there. Have it. View up is there just above. I'm gonna have as well a custom view up from the market opening, that is this one, and from this one, the first candle is 9:30, yeah, and then remove the old one of yesterday, and at the same time put some levels. Hi Nick, good morning. 2 days off so I can join live. Hey, what's up? How are you, man? Where have you been? How is your training going? How is your work going? Wait, I have to put some things here, some levels. 932. Yeah. So, and when are you gonna start with the real job? And I wanted to go to Asia, but so many flights that go through Middle East are closed, so the price got so much more expensive. Just because, yeah, I know, just that. Day after Easter, Monday. Easter is like what, 3-4 of April? That's correct. Yeah, a lot of flight canceled. I mean, yeah, for all that Middle East, you have a lot of flights to the Middle East. All of them gone. Market is right now pushing. I see when I checked the hour chart before, I saw this in the hour chart is resistance here. It became that support. This support became resistance. Let's see if it wants to come back and retest it. But for the moment, we wait and see. Market is just open, so just chilling right now and waiting. A lot of I have to check my flights, to be honest. I still have not booked anything. Good morning, Mufti. Good morning, Traffics. How are you guys? Hope you're doing well. Last days of Ramadan as well. Last days of Ramadan. Today I think is 23rd day for me. Hello, Hatise. You're doing well. Yeah, fasting is almost done. We're inside the last 10 days of fasting. Why this VWAP started from here? No, it should start from the opening. Shadfield are you Nick? Yeah, I think Nick is back for 2 days. How is gone with your PAs, Mufti? This is Shadfield. Shadfield is a something. Let me see what is Shadfield. What is Shadfield? Cabin crew, from my point, speaking with my friend, especially I think cabin crew, especially for long flights, because that's what Nick is gonna do. They're gonna be fun because make you travel the world. Come on, let's do it. You're doing amazing with this, keeping yourself capped and applying rules and everything. Keep doing it, my friend. You're doing a lot. Nice. Let's see, how is this cumulative delta there? Looks for the moment bullish, but we just opened. The markets are really too early to say anything. This is pre-market. It was even here. Yeah, pre-market was also up to here. For the moment we took this low, pushing a little bit. I have a mixture for longish. Yeah, honestly, from before opening before, I was mostly short, but this can push a little bit and then revert. These days has done it a lot. Even yesterday, what is it? Yeah, what is it here? Yeah, it pushed lower, then it pushed above, made highs, then came back low. Crazy market. Long and short. Man, we speak too much about trading. Also, my friend that she worked in Emirates, she had the same, long and short. The short flights around the Arabia, you know, the Middle East. So daily flights going back. Then the long flights, for example, go to Tokyo, and then you had 2 nights in Tokyo. Mm-hmm. Letting it play right now. It's still too early to see something, at least for me. I had a nice chat with Bogdan this morning. How he trades, very interesting. He trades as well the imbalance. He trades the 5 minutes imbalance, directional wise, and then he enters on the 1 minute as an entry. Very interesting. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. A little bit hungry right now. It's 2:40 p.m. where I am, so still some time before breaking the fast. Less volatility in these free candles. Less buying pressure here. But the delta still pushing, so still more bullish than bearish. And holding both VWAP there, it can be a nice entry if we look for like a quick scalp, get us above. Some selling popping out there. Chilling and waiting. Some more selling coming there. More selling is coming there. So thanks God I did not enter long after I saw that the buying here was not that strong. Look at this selling right now forming. I mean, more volume at least on these candles. Opening print level back to retested. Maybe our short opportunity is coming soon. Oh. Some selling there, guys. It's some selling is forming there. Might be it start to interest into short. look at this selling here and this buying. There was no buying here. There was no volume in these candles. And look at the volume right now on the selling side. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, la la. Just waiting to see something happening for the moment. Seems that it did not move at all. Look at that candles, just the same as pre-market almost. It does not even seem that it's market open of Nasdaq at 9.5. Let's see if we start to hold below this opening print level. Definitely it's more volume right now. They're coming. Look at this rotation here. How these buyers, this volume in these candles was inexisting, and then the selling one came up. Nice. Selling there, selling, missed the short, damn it. Yeah, I was coming very nicely. This fake out here and came out very nicely. Look at this volume on the selling side. Look at the volume here. I think this is a nice signal to see for, you know, I believe in my, like a few days ago, I would have probably longed there. But the volume here on these free candles inexistent. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Inexisting. Yeah, that trying to be perfect on an entry got me many times angry, to be honest. So many times. It got me so many times angry, really many times angry. That I remember just put a limit order here just because I wanted a week lower of like $30-$20, and I was like, what am I freaking risking $20-$30 to not get an A+ setup? That's okay. It's okay, Mufti. Next setup. Wow, that was crazy. To be honest, I'm in your boat, because I was like, let me maybe start to get an entry short here. 2 contracts. That's already $360. Okay, we'll leave it there. Let's wait right now for a pullback. Wow, let's wait for a pullback. See how the bullish candle here form, and if we can retest and give us, you know, not great volume on buying side. At 47.85. Yeah, you put it here as a retest. Yeah, I see your point. My friend. Which advice? The channel? Want to trade in a true. Walk away. I mean, I mean, I'm unprofitable trader, so everything I say, take it with a pinch of salt. But I think it's a good thing to test on yourself. Locking yourself out from taking other trades. Yeah. I get you. I get you on that, my friend. That is, I think, and I think right now that you go back to work and money will be even less like of a reasons. It's gonna be even better. I'm gonna start to get one short there. It's only one micro. 1 p.m. from pre-market from a small, then caught that short. Man, good short there. You took that short. Very good job. Very freaking good job. Let's see. Let me see getting tapped here. Wow. Okay. It's only down $90 here. Case in beautiful price action. And for the moment, it's looking beautiful for some people. I might call, if these things that start to hold the opening print level, I will call myself out. I'm just pointing on this fact that we sold aggressively. It's true we took pre-market lows here. That's kind of maybe my bad there, but let's see. You're in a break. Yeah. I'm trying my evaluation, trying to pass it step by step. Yesterday, I think I made $350. Now I'm waiting to see if there is some selling coming through this rejection. We have VWAP, open print level above. Beautiful short here. People that took it, you made your day already. That you can be close the screen and go home. I mean, you're already home, so just close the screen and go out. Okay, yes, some selling there. I'm looking to see how these candles form. If there's volume on these selling candles here, or they are just a pullback to push back again. So I will be careful on it. But for the moment, selling is there. Yeah, in 5 minutes, very bearish. Let's see. Okay, nice. Okay. Nice selling there. Yeah, also the delta, cumulative delta show me some nice red candle forming. So I will keep the selling. Yeah, I will keep the selling. The candles here are forming nicely. I'm gonna flatten it there. And $100. $100 with only 2 micros, and the fact that 1 macro we remove it like a quick scalp here. Average in there. Usually I will enter with at least 2 micros as entry right now, but I guess I kind of messed up a little bit, but great trade anyway. Still very shorty right now, still very shorty. So if it comes back to, wants to make another lower high, lower low, I'm happy to try it again. 700s here. Next level I have a 600 free. Maybe that can be a target that can reach 700 feet. It's the low, some of these previous lows here, the previous days here. Now, so you took the short. Now you're happy. That's it. We're doing too good together. Can we make money together as well? Man, good job, Nick. Good job, Nick, of taking your trades and calling yourself out. Watching this chart so long time, it becomes a draining energy, honestly. Have a beautiful day, brother. Enjoy your day off. That is the amazing feeling of when you miss it, no FOMO on it, then you take the next setup and it works out and you're like, yeah, okay, save. Wow, this is still selling. Look at this selling pressure here, guys. Look on the low side here. Look how much volume on the selling candles and how much volume on the green candle here. If there's an activity, you need to at least one day that is counted for all accounts from all the Apex that have been active before. That is the old accounts, the legacy accounts, the old PAs have 150 days inactivity rules, and you need $150 a day. So it's 150 days, if I'm not mistaken. The new accounts have, in the last 30 days, you need to have 2 days of $50. 2 days of $50. For the legacy account, instead you have 150 days of inactivity, $150, and that is still not in action, but it will be soon. One and done, Nick. Yes, Mufti. Yes, that's what we do. Find one good trade and call it. Are the new accounts better than? Do you think? I haven't looked at it too much. I think it depends. It depends. So, for someone that has good risk management like Mufti, the old accounts still were good because he had good risk management. He didn't care about MA rule or 5-to-1 risk reward or these rules. For people that were caring about these rules, the new accounts are better. They don't have to think about breaking rules. The new accounts does not allow you to break them. The new accounts have payout caps, but still, personally, I don't even bother because I don't even get. Most of the people don't even get to the first payout. Imagine thinking about the sixth payout, and a bit higher daily profit you have to make on 5 trading days. So the fact that it has cons and pros on a way that right now, if you request a payout on the new accounts, it gets approved instantly. No review. Looking for a little bit more push. Get maybe a little more of a short again, but let's see. They move you to live right now. Quicker, that will be defined. I think right now they will allow you to go up to the 6 payouts without problem. And then if you are someone like, let's say for example, you're trading 2 PAs and then you get to 6 accounts. You start again. But if you're someone that trades 20 PA and you get to the 6 payouts, and then they see, okay, your risk management is amazing, it does make sense for us to move you to live. Oh, you got to 6 payout, but your risk management sucks. But look, we paid you 200k, 300k, but we don't want you to trade anymore with us because your risk management sucks. It depends. Like I said, it depends. How big is that? If it is 1 PA, they won't bother because it's still only 1 PA. If it's like, oh, this guy is trading 15 PAs, and he's gonna request 100k, 150k, 200k, 300k, then he's gonna be like, oh, this is going to big numbers. Then we have to evaluate. I think it's mostly more right now like this, and probably in the future it would be more like clear on how they define. But for the moment, I think it's more like that. Yeah, you can trade. Yeah, they close your account, you open a new one, and you start from evaluation again. You can, even if you go to 6 payouts with 1 PA, they close that one, you request a 6 payout, you start again for other 4 PAs, 5 PAs. Let's see how is the selling here. For the moment, there is a lot. The delta is pushing aggressively there. No, 1-2 PAs, I don't think they will even bother. I don't think so, my friend. Let me get a contract just to have it there. 1-2 PAs, I will not worry at all. Kind of, maybe this was a bit maybe aggressive. Maybe I have to call myself out from this trade because it's, yeah, let me call myself out from this trade. I'm gonna give back $50, but the delta is totally pushing there. Even if I want to play this rejection, this was a little bit FOMO. I'm gonna leave it there. Good luck, Nick. Have a good day. We see my Gmail here, what they want. Why highly self-aware people are often the most quietly suffering? Why did I get this email? Yeah. Who's gonna be the first live trader between us? That's gonna be interesting, my friend. I think, yeah, not me. Right now, I'm the furthest one. Between you and Nick, who's closer to payout? Mufti, I guess, right now. But yeah, not me for sure. Market, buying pressure is coming, guys. So I'm not shorting right now. I honestly, I saw it from this candle that the buying is there, and I don't know why I took a short. I don't know. So I have to remember that more we go inside the day, this candle gets smaller because it's less volatile day. So a big candle like this, it can mean that it was a candle big like this in the first 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Wow, really a big buying there. Big buying. Delta just cruising high. Still waiting to take maybe another entry if I find it. right now, market just bullish right now there. Bullish. Bullish enough, I mean, bullish for what it is. For how it's pushing there. Wow. Right now, a little bit of a rejection there. Previous. Yeah, I'm gonna wait because the delta is just super bullish. So maybe even like look for a retest of this to go long if I see that, and maybe this becomes a head and shoulder. Looking to go for maybe for a quick little long there here. Just waiting to see how this candle evolves. I'm gonna take the 2 contracts there. Yes, it's just bounced very nicely strong. So I'm gonna look for a quick scalp here. I did 1 contract at the 700s there. It looks, let's see how ES wants to push right now there. It does look he wants to do for a little bit, one more push there. That's what it looks right now. Even if this, if this candle here, the volume, this candle was not that intensive as the other one. Close one. It's taking the time to push a little bit more. Muftis, are you still there or you left? Still waiting. Look at this volume here. Just fighting for this buying pressure that we got here to continue for a little bit more, but it might give up soon. I like ES more than ES is looking stronger than. That's why I got in this entry, just for ES being looking good. Let me get one more buy there. $700 again. Maybe I might be cooked. Okay. I mean, I'm trying, my friend, to grab another one, but it's a kind of weird place, to be honest. Not looking great. It does not do. It's not gonna do it soon. I'm not gonna call myself out from this trade. Okay, yeah. No. I'm just scalping it a little bit. I was hoping for this to revert quick to the to push a little bit more, but right now it's flagging, but there is no volume showing up. Might call it out quick. Just giving it just a few more seconds. Good morning, Express. Yes, right now finally pushing a little bit there. I'm gonna close it because it sucks. It's not maybe it's gonna do it right now. Right now it's showing something here on the bottom. Look at that. Right now I pushed it out on this flag, on this candle break. Maybe it is the time it's gonna push. I've been waiting for it, but it did not happen at all. But back to $93 PNL on the day. It did make sense because of the I re-entered here, went long, scalped a few times, just because there was no volume coming anymore there until now. ES just now is pushing a little bit. Literally, look at these candles here, reducing. And I was waiting for it to break already, especially in ES. Now it's doing it ES. Look at that. Now finally it's doing it. Maybe a little bit more patience what I paid, but I was scared if this was not gonna hold, it was gonna break fast. It's not that I had, like, let's say I was shorting and I will be like, it's fine, I still have this opening print level and the other view up to rely on, because I'm mostly bearish on the day. But because I'm mostly bearish on the day, on the long side, I'm not that comfortable to keep it. That's really my struggle there. So right now we're breaking the VWAP. We came to the VWAP, and I'm waiting to see what the market wants to do right now, because we might start to sell to the downside again. Waiting to see the delta forming there. Delta Delta give a massive push here during these candles, as well as I sell, and almost nothing right now. Opening charts right now. Hello, let's go, AD. Yeah, I'm still looking for a little bit more of a short side for if I want to take a longer trade, and if for a scalp, buying there was for a little bit more time, but buying. The volume on buying side here is lowering and lowering, gone low and low. So trying to be careful. For the moment, beautiful short here. Little nice longs here. Here was a mistake because I realized it was a mistake right away. Luckily, I did not keep holding it in the bag. Definitely, I could have done a little bit better here, but all good. I'm looking to see if this is gonna start to reject this 740 level. And if some selling is gonna show up. Waiting. Woohoo. Double top Maverick. I'm looking as well for shorts, huh? Just waiting to see a bit more volume on the selling candle. That's wow. Okay. That's it. That's what we were waiting for. I'm gonna get one contract just to be there in it. Selling. Okay, I like it more on the short side right now. The delta is very bearish right now. As well, volume is on the selling candles in ES is coming back. Are you short? Yes, I'm short. Short again. I like it that we're rejecting again the 740 view up as well, and the volume is coming back on the selling candles here, and the delta as well. It's very bearish. One micro contract. If we break and below this, I might add to this short. The 700 getting broken right now. Selling morning as well in ES, coming more volume. There too. Look at that. One more contract to the selling side. One more contract selling. Let's sell this market to get to the lows at 600s. Come on, market, sell, 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 sell. It looks beautiful on the selling side right now. For the moment, I don't have any indication to close this short. It looks very bearish, and so we're gonna keep it there to hopefully grab a nice trade to the downside. Approaching FFG and retesting. Which FFG? This FFG? This to the buying side, to the upside? It's so cold here. By the way, FFG is a word that is not accepted in this channel. You can call it imbalance, by the way. You can call it imbalance, but don't call it FFG. Oh, I like more this short, guys. Coming more and more. If we retest the 700s, I will add one contract there. Right now, I'm gonna keep this position as it is. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna keep it. This delta is just selling aggressively. To look at the volume as well on the bottom side here of these red candles, just increasing over and over. Nice. I like that idea of entry. We're almost getting there, the first little TP there. I'm gonna close that contract. Not gonna be looking for that few points more. Closing it, I have one more contract. LFG. Yeah, finally we're getting some nice trades. I'm gonna keep this trade because for the moment we don't have we have only selling, at least in the indicators. Okay, coming bah. Let's see right now. Maybe we got another entry there. Happy to short again. Looking for this to give me. I'm gonna add a short there. Still like that it's gonna come lower. Let's see. I like it more. The selling side still. Close that little one. Added. I'm just looking for a nice big candle here, and I close the last contract. Still, I look at more break to the downside. I still look more at this break lower than than this to come back. Yeah, actually that's what I was doing until 2 days ago. Like liquidity grab, then imbalance. That engulfing liquidity grab or engulfing candle for you, it's no, that's interesting. Yeah, I was doing it very poorly, to be honest. Oh, we're getting some bounce there. Okay, I have to manage this position. Some buying a little bit there. I don't want to get just faked out from this. Yeah, this can be just a fake out. We're coming from a big selling pressure here. That's quick scalp there. Oh, $20. Still. Now it's okay. My initial entry was here above. Then I added, closed, added, close, added, close. So in this enter here, my break even is even here above. So I'm liking this. Liking this a little bit. Yeah, I'm liking this a little bit more even now. So I'm looking for this last push to the downside and flattening my position. Like if it wants to skyrocket right now, take me out. All good. Beautiful trades today. The beautiful short here, but here I could have done more. I just entered only 1 micron and did a mistake here of closing it because it was still initial position of 2 micros. Very good, very bad at entering, but very good at exiting quick here at my short. And took beautiful longs here. Call myself out to the moment I see there is no buying. You see here trying to get a buying pressure here, and there was no actual buyers there. And it came out that selling here pressure. It came out to be interesting. Fake out here, selling again. I think we read the market properly today. I still believe this is gonna break the lows. So you can, if you're there on the short side, good luck, guys. for me, made $306. It's a great day. Keep finding my way until I'm feeling comfortable, and then go back to PAs and pay for the activation and get these PAs. So I like what I've been doing the last 2-3 days. So the last 2 days, let's do the same things tomorrow. Have a beautiful day, guys. Let's get this evaluation passed step by step. And if you're thinking to use Apex, guys, 85% is still there for the last 2 days. They extended the promotion. It supports the channel, and I appreciate each one of you guys. For the rest, love you all. Have a beautiful day. Look at that low of the break right now. That was the target. It's fine, but beautiful adding and selling. Sell was appeared here. The selling pressure was here. Look at the comparison between the selling here. Oh my God. Look at the comparison of the selling here. If I can get it. The selling here and the buying here. When I saw this candle pushing that much without showing that actual buyers were there, so it kind of showed that the potential of this being a fake out, and sellers were there. The sellers could come back, and look at the sellers coming here. 603 would have been the next target as well of support. Same things in ES happen here. Big imbalances and rotation there on the red candles, and not in the buying side. So great things to wait. Getting things, my selling, getting sold again here. Overall, very happy with this trade, guys. Order blocks, I don't know. I mean, too many things I'm doing right now. Order blocks, I should. I don't think I can have it in Quant Hour. Maybe yes. I have to buy level 2 dates if I'm not mistaken. We'll check on it. We love you guys. Have a beautiful day. See you around.